You gotta check this out.
Let's watch some crazy stuff, yo!
Hey guys, how low can you go? Low enough to scrape the front end of your 600 LT? If you've paid $500,000 for a car, you'd be pretty upset to find damage like this. But this is what happens on these really low model cars.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, Tyler.
No way.
Luckily enough, we've got scrape armour in the house today, and we're going to fit this kit to hide this and also prevent any further damage. Check it out. Scrape armour offer a lifetime warranty when installed by an authorised installer. They're so confident in their product that if you ever scrape this to half its thickness, they'll give you a new one free. So there you have it. Another successful scrape armour install from the crew at Wingard. Job done. Follow scrape armour, follow Wingard, follow your mother's advice.
Whoa, what? How did we fall asleep?